Hi everyone and welcome back to Prefusion. I'm back with another job notification. So this time RFCL has come up with a job notification. So if you want more videos like this, more job updates, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button of Prefusion. So yeah, RFCL is Ramagundam Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited. It is a joint venture company formed by National Fertilizers Limited (NFL) and Engineers India Limited (EIL) and Fertilizer Corporation of India Limited (FCIL). So what are the posts? So mainly the post is for management trainees. Obviously undergraduate are eligible. Undergraduate from chemical, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation and EC also, and information technology. If so, we'll come to the branches, but these are the posts that are eligible: management trainee chemical, management trainee mechanical, management trainee electrical, management trainee instrumentation and management trainee IT. All these are different. So for like other non-engineering background, I'm not talking about them. So what are the important points? So these were the few posts available, and like the pay scale is scale is E1 from 40,000 to 1,40,000. Okay, and like after you get like selected, then this will be your pay scale, and obviously you will get different allowances: industrial DNS allowance, company accommodation allowance, HRA, all those things you will get. Okay, also you have to sign a service agreement bond. It is of 1,20,000 and you have to serve the company at least for 3 years. Okay, after that, like this bond will be gone, so you have to sign this bond. Now which branches are eligible? For chemical, the following branches are eligible. If you have a certificate of boiler operation engineer, then you will be preferred. Now for mechanical, only mechanical engineering and technology are eligible, like the people who have done their BE/BTech/BSc in engineering in mechanical engineering are eligible. Now for electrical, if he has done BE BTech/BSc in engineering in electrical or electrical and electronics engineering or electrical technology, then he or she is eligible. Management training in instrumentation, if he has done, now this has many branches: BE, BTech, BSc in engineering in instrumentation or instrumentation and control, or electronics and instrumentation, or electronics instrumentation and control, or industrial instrumentation or process control instrumentation, or electronics and electrical or applied electronics and instrumentation, or electronics and communication. So like this also comes under that, electronics and communication. So EC also can come under that if your degree name is this. Okay, so yeah, these are the few branches which are like eligible for this post. So many people can apply for this. Now 60% is the aggregate for under UR, OBC and EWS, and 50% for other candidates. Okay, so you have to have at least 60% marks, then only you are eligible. Okay, else you are not eligible. Now like they have given you how to convert your overall CGPA to this percentage. You can convert this. Okay, now what is the cutoff date? So any age they talk about, anything they talk about, right, that age should, like that criteria should satisfy before this 29th of February. Okay, this is the cutoff date. Now what are the few things? So like I also missed one thing, I think. Yeah, this one I missed, that maximum age for engineering graduates is 25 years of age. So you should be 25, like you should be less than 25 years of age before this cutoff date. You should be less than this 25 years of age before this cutoff date. Okay, the minimum is 18 obviously. And then the application fee, you have to pay a 700 rupees application fee for UR, OBC and EWS category candidates, and other candidates are exempted from the paying the application fee. The application will start, like the steps are written, you can read from here. It will start online from 14th of Feb and end at 14th of March. I will put the link of this website in the description below, you can go to that. Okay, also you can join our Telegram group for more information like this. Now yeah, these are all the things you can read the like steps. Now what is the selection procedure? Selection procedure is basically a computer based test. So they will not recruit you through grade, there will be CBT, and the CBT will be basically on the relevant discipline and aptitude. We'll come to the syllabus. Okay, it will be objective type, and admit card will be given to you, venue and date will be mentioned. You have to go there and give the examination. Now the following locations are present. So in the following locations the test can happen. Okay, you can pause the video and see which is near you, city, local city. Now what will happen, as I told, discipline, there will be, the test will be two parts. One is your discipline in which you are applying. Let's say you are applying through instrumentation, then it will be through instrumentation. If you are applying for electrical, it will be through your electrical engineering discipline. Okay, the level will be same, simple undergraduate level only, and other part is aptitude. Okay, and the language of the test will be both in Hindi and English. Duration will be of 2 hours, and total number of questions will be of 150 of 1 marks each, out of which 100 questions would be mix of course curriculum of qualifying minimum education qualification. Basically for electrical it will be 100 questions will be from your electrical engineering, or if you're from instrumentation then 100 questions will be from instrumentation engineering. Now the remaining 50 questions will be from general English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, and general knowledge / awareness. Okay, so there these are the things. There will be no negative marking, so do note there will be no negative marking. So you mark everything. Okay, you mark everything, you don't leave any question. That is very important. For wrong answer, yeah, as I told, the examination level will be simply undergraduate level. Now anything else, but after that there will be a personal interview. After you qualify for the CBT, there will be a personal interview. They will call in the in this ratio, 1:8 ratio, and obviously they will pay you for the journey, whatever journey cost will happen due to after qualifying the CBT, and when you are going for the interview, they will pay for your travel expenses. Okay, so one thing is that candidates needs to qualify CBT and the personal interview with minimum of 50% marks. Okay, whatever marks is there, 50% marks minimum in both these tests you need, then only you will qualify. Now what is the final selection? Final selection will be separately drawn. It will have 80% weightage of the CBT and 20% weightage of the personal interview, and obviously you have to get 50% marks on both of these. Okay, that is the qualifying criteria, and out of which whoever gets more, he will get selected. Okay, so yeah, these are the few important points. Yeah, Indian nationals can apply. There is no domicile here, so everyone can apply. All India people can apply, and these are the few important dates. Cutoff date is 29th of Feb. Application start is 14th of Feb, and end date is 14th of March. So these are the few important dates. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next video with another job notification or update. Thank you for watching.